like to talk about mammographic masses now. I'm going to do this in terms of an algorithmic approach. Hopefully we'll cover all of the basics getting to that aspect of the evaluation of masses along the way. When we talk about masses, it's nice to go back to the BI-RADS manual, which actually describes two aspects. One is the lexicon, which talks about the different categories, and the other is the lexicon in terms of the descriptive terms we use to describe masses. I think you're all familiar with the different BI-RADS categories. They're required under MQSA to be put in every report. That is Category 0 needs further evaluation, Category 1 negative, Category 2 benign findings, Category 3 is the short-term follow-up, probably benign. Category 4 is suspicious for malignancy. Category 5, highly suggestive of malignancy. And the new Category 6, the known biopsy-proven malignancy, that it is one that's already been diagnosed and is now coming back either for treatment or for pretreatment planning. So those are the BI-RADS lexicon categories. Now, the other terms that are important to remember that are very useful in our analysis of masses are the actual terms that are used in the BI-RADS manual to describe masses. First, they describe a mass as a space-occupying lesion seen in two different projections. If you see it on only one projection, then it's still considered an asymmetry. But if it's seen in two projections, then you can legitimately call it a mass. And it's characterized by its shape, by its margin, and its density. Extremely important to evaluate all of those. And as I mentioned, an asymmetry, on the other hand, is a lesion that's seen in only one projection. So a true mass, in terms of the descriptors that are applied to it, is one that is seen in two different projections.